Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you are back for another one, obviously, and it's about hair today, as it should be, period. So yeah, today we're doing my hair. I'm going on a trip to Miami. If you follow me on Instagram, boop boop boop, info here, then you can see all the looks and all the things. But yeah, so right now my hair is just in a poof in its natural state, and I want to do a half up half down quick weave. Let me preface this though, I ain't never done nothing like this before, so I'm hoping this doesn't take me a year to do. Right now it's like 10 o'clock, so I'm shooting for 12. Maybe I'll push it to 1. But I would just like to be done because my flight is tomorrow. Okay, I'm a little scared because I never did this before, like I said, but I'm down for whatever. So yeah, let's get it started. It's probably gonna be a voiceover because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just trial and error, trial and error. But once I figure it out, then you know what I mean, we gonna chat about it. So let's get into it and get this popping. Oh, let me show you the hair. All right, so obviously beauty supply store hair, cheap and quick. So we have one bundle of 30-inch beach curl. That's her from Organique, I think is what it's called. Let's focus. There we go. Oh, it's backwards, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. So we have a 30-inch of that, and then we have two 24 inches of the Italian curl. And this is Gardenia. Both from some brand called Master Mix. And I think they're supposed to be like, you know when it's like synthetic, but they try to make it look human? Or they do like that synthetic human mix. That's basically what it is. So it should last me for 3 days. Makes sense, right? So yeah, let's just get started. I'm excited but scared, so hooray for me. Okay.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
Alright y'all, we are back. So I've blow dried the front of my hair. So we've got pony. And we bought some braids in the back just for real quick, nothing crazy. I'm gonna pin them up and get it popping. But right now, actually, yeah, let me do that first. I don't know, what should I do first? I'm gonna just do the front of my hair first. So I'm going to straighten the front of my hair. Not too much. I just want to really look straight, so we just gonna straighten the edges basically. I have this on 360, nothing too crazy. Ooh. That's good enough. All right, so now we have to probably do the back of my head.
Chevy drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride.
Okay, I'm showing y'all how I messed up. So I started cutting my cap way too early. You're supposed to add the like glue protectant and then blow dry and then cut the cap, but it worked out, so yeah. And here is me showing how you have to measure the hair against your hair. Okay, then once you do that, you cut it, and then obviously you got to then go apply the glue. I applied the glue semi generously, and then I would blow dry it with the blow dryer until the glue changed color, got a little darker, and then you just press it in kind of hard, give it some tension, and that's basically how you do it. See, look, there you go, glue, and then it's gonna be blow dry, and then apply.
I get racks to go outside and I spit it with the knives. Be up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Way to do it, but I ended up actually fixing this ponytail and changing it to sit higher on my head. And when I did that, I actually didn't use the cover paper, and I secured it with bobby pins instead of like sewing it on. So if you want to do it an easier way, try that way, but this way works as well. Alright, y'all, I'm back. This is the final look. She's cute or whatever. Yeah, she's cute. She's getting the job done, at least, I will say. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the comment section, down in the DM or whatever, and let me know how you feel about it. Are you rocking with it? Is it cute to you? You know what I mean? Yeah, let me know. So yeah, bye y'all, see you next time, peace.